There is a teaching in India, when you try to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, there is interpretation. Try to get away from all religious practice. Try to keep yourself away from all dharma. And Arjun, just follow me. What Krishna is telling? I am all in all. Because of me, the whole cosmos exists. What is happening? It's because of me. Arjun, I am doer. I am creator. I am preservator. Without my will, nothing happens. Therefore, Arjun, try to get away from all dharma. Sarva dharma parityajya. All kind of dharma, try to get away, try to leave it. This is the traditional meaning, and this is not correct. Moment you enter into the Kriya, then you must know that each and every word and letter is having different meaning. In day-to-day life, we have different meaning. If you are going to use that meaning here, you cannot practice. Then what I explained to them, this technical word, sarva dharma. Sarva means all in all. Dharma means nature. What is the nature of salt? Sodium chloride. It's a structure, and when you taste, it is salty. In the same way, there is a nature, there is properties. The nature of physical universe, astral universe, causal universe. There are three dharmas. Try to get away from all three dharmas. This is not true. What is the technical meaning? I want to explain in Hindi. This is called pronounced ta, and this is called the a, and this is the ta. There is no a. Ta means it represents stability. If there is no a in this, a means three kind of power, knowledge: creation, preservation, and change. Creation, preservation and change. Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. But A is not here. It means you have to stable yourself, you have to place yourself in the consciousness where Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva do not exist like this what we think. Means the place from where Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva is created. That place, the place from where physical universe, from where causal universe, astral and physical universe created, that we call the ta. We pronounce ta, in English it is T, but how to pronounce ta? In the English there is a limited letter, limited pronunciation. Therefore I am pronouncing it. Here is a ta, ta, here is a ta, half ta. How you pronounce? Can't pronounce it. But you can understand it. Therefore, here means expansion. Expansion up to infinite. Keep on expanding, never stop. Until the things reaches, when all things is reaching up to the end, mating to all. Keep on expanding more and more, spreading more and more, up to what level? When all persons will be saturated with that. That is called Ya. What we are going to expand? The knowledge. Ja means knowledge. Knowledge. You are going to expand the knowledge. What kind of knowledge? How to stable, how to keep yourself in the consciousness of Parabrahma, formless omnipresence God. From there you must learn how to experience, how to stay, how to live in causal, astral and physical world. You have to place yourself in the consciousness of Parabrahma. At the same time, you have to remain yourself in the causal universe, astral universe, physical universe. This is the teaching of the Krishna. But how to get it? Try to think how to get it. There is no laboratory. There is no university. There is a university of learning perfect love. That is the Kriya Yoga science. You try to love to anything, any creation, plant, animal, human being, it is not possible. It's very difficult because of the ego clash. In the process of love, sometimes you have to talk very hard, you have to keep away, you have to do this, you have to do that. They don't understand. Because when you have the love, there's a vaccination, the love, needle is there is the love, surgery is there. I do not want love. You can imagine surgery, vaccination, different needle, different kind of medication. When you take side effect, what is that? Why anybody will give you medicine? Because they love you. In the same way, perfect love is having many dimensions. That dimension we cannot understand, therefore practice Kriya Yoga sincerely with all devotion. How to start it? Feel head to toes. Accept this. Omnipresent, formless God has become this existence head to toes. Try to feel it and accept it that I have everything. Omnipresent God. In omnipresent God there is Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. All knowledge of creation, preservation and change. Past, present and future. Now, like a scientist, we are going to work for it. We are going to select head to toes. We are going to feel it and accept it with the greatest honor and respect. This is the practice, what we should do. Therefore, head to toes, when you feel it, try to accept its presence as presence of formless, omnipresent God. If you are walking or working, doing anything, if you feel tiredness, pain, discomfort, it means you are not loving yourself. Try to change the lifestyle, how to walk, how to sit, how to work, how to do different activities. Try to perform activities with this aim. Whatever I am going to feel, I have to love it. Then you are going to experience that science, Sarva Dharma, all kind of dharma, how to get away from that misinterpretation, you are going to correct it.